last year onwards, they have changed the question paper pattern. You have more of reading and writing part. Unlike every year, previous year when we used to go for valuation and we used to correct the answer papers, the way questions were very simple one. So what happened? We will be able to, children you all will be able to understand and write. But now what has happened last year onwards, particularly last year, they have asked more of competency-based question answers. So that is why sir also had sent some few questions to me, asking that, sir, these are the questions that are. So that is one part. Second part is, I was also talking to your sir and your wife, your madam. Many of you are thinking about grammar. Grammar is very, very simple questions will come from grammar. Is it clear? Don't worry about grammar. What you have to worry is that first paragraph. The paragraph that you are going to get. You are going to get it is competency based questions. Some ideas will be given, and when ideas also are there, they will also give you issues. If it is issue based. So what happens here is, once you read this idea, what is that idea and what is they are asking, these three elements are very important. ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಯಾವ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಅವರು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ whether what is the main idea, that means what is that content speaking about. Once you read this, then you have to analyze each question. ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, how many words are there in that passage? ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಯಾಸೇಜ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 500 average on 400 to 600 ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ